I have rapped in a program. I did a Weird Weekends episode about rap.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure, and make me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello. This video is meant to fulfill a final project of English course about review a product. Okay. Hello. My name is Lailatul Mutia Alda, study number 2102608 from session classic 40, course Lailatul Ayudhia S.Pd.M.Pd. Hello everyone. This time I want to review a product. A product that everyone use and need. Yes, that's soap. Of all the body wash product have used, in my opinion, this body wash is recommended for use based on the smell, texture, packaging, and price. Yes, Beauty Whitening Scrub Bright Body Foam is a liquid. Beauty Whitening Scrub Bright Body Foam is liquid bath soap and rinse with vitamin E derivative. Japan Bright Micellar Formula, which provides skin protection to keep it healthy while providing gentle massage while bathing. This bath soap is the first in Indonesia with Japan Bright Micellar and hyaluronic acid technology for bright radiant skin. Beauty Bright White Scrub is a bath soap with a distinctive, refreshing fragrance and a formula. Beauty Bright White Scrub is a bath soap with a distinctive, refreshing fragrance and a formulation that has superiority, brighten the skin with matcha sensation. A unique and refreshing fragrance and rinse with hyaluronic acid, which is well known for keeping skin moist. Long-lasting fragrance brighten and soften the skin. Mild fragrance give peace and comfort to body and mind with Japan Bright Micellar Formula. Remove the skin cell, dirt, sweet residual pollution until all the skin evident and soft form. The ingredient contained in Beauty Bright Body Foam: 1. Water, lauric acid, sorbitol, potassium hydroxide, cellulose, muriatic acid, fragrance, laurel foam, sanbolic acid, alkyl acrylate cross polymer, lauryl hydroxyl sulfan, palmitic acid, sodium laurate sulfate, disodium methyluronic acid, sodium bicarbonate, tocopheryl acetate alcohol, methylene glycol, tetrasodium ecta, and camellia sinensis layer extract. How to use? 1. Lather all over body with solvent juice. 2. Rinse it clean. Simple. Method 220 ml. Production by PTKAO Indonesia. That's all my product review. Thanks. See you later.